I'm
We
losing
live?
baby here.
Okay, hey everyone.
Hey, Bibi.
This is Lauren Judd, the manager of our Bull Banker Beverly Hills North office. Say hello.
And Bibi.
This is Bibi. She's really a cute one. Here for adoption. So Lauren, you know, this is a great event. So many dogs have been adopted already, and
Yep.
thank you for taking on the lead. What made you decide to push the office to do this and get involved with the Amanda Foundation and do this?
Well, we originally had this weekend is National Pet Adoption
Right.
Weekend. So we originally at a meeting, a lot of regional managers, we were talking about getting involved. How can we get involved? So I immediately went to the Amanda Foundation because they're a Beverly Hills local organization, but they're the best.
They are the best. I've been with them for 20 years.
There you go.
Like you
So,
probably.
Yes. So I love your dog.
Thank you. Another adoptee. And your dogs are adoptees.
Yes, they
Lauren
are.
has had many and they're all adoptees as well.
That's the only way to get a dog.
Yes.
So we decided to take it on as an office project, so I assigned 2 people in the office to our media director, our social media director, our e-marketing guy, and Danielle, wherever she is, and they led it. And so I came here to this store to see if I could get them on board. It's a Beverly Hills store. So we wanted to keep it in the community. And I went to, so the Amanda Foundation gladly joined us. I came here to Pet Food Express, which is the largest and best pet store ever.
It's a great pet store, by the way.
It is. And so they were really excited about doing it with Bull Banker. And so we took it on. And we decided if we're going to do it, we're going to do it.
And you do it right.
Yeah.
I think there's been 5 or 6 adopted already, and more to come.
Yeah, and it's only at 12:30. We're halfway.
It's only 12:30, and this is Shelly. She's an adorable little baby Chihuahua.
She's fabulous. She's actually Shelly the shelter dog.
Shelly the shelter dog, and she is so sweet. She has not left my side since I got here. Maybe she'll be in our home, I hope.
I hope so.
I'm hoping my wife will come down and we can see about maybe adopting a group. Oh, this
So
is
it's a wonderful organization. This is a wonderful weekend. We're here for 2 days.
Yep.
And I have a feeling we're going to adopt a lot of animals.
I
We
think
gotta
so.
catch the cats over there. I don't know
Oh
if
yeah,
you
the
guys
cats
know
too,
the
guys. Really adorable cats.
They are fabulous little animals too. And so I'm really excited that you're here. I'm excited that you're participating. We have a great office with a lot of people cooperating with each other, and everybody came to do this on a volunteer basis. And
It's nice.
looks like
And
we're
don't
going to have a
forget,
success already.
Bull Banker is doing this all around the country today and tomorrow, so you still have time to check on bullbanker.com and check out the local sites. Just put in your zip code, it'll tell you the local sites. And if you're not ready to adopt a pet yet, we're also doing a special fundraising for the pets displaced in the hurricane in Texas. So thanks for watching, thanks for being part of our Bull Banker nationwide event.
And thank you, Christoph,
Thank
for being
you.
a part of this as well.
And thanks for supporting pets that need loving homes, and we appreciate it.
That's
Thanks,
what we
guys.
do.
That's what we do.
Thanks.